All right, man. Just wanted to go over how I traded on Friday. I didn't upload Friday because obviously it's supposed to be a day where I kind of like take a break, look at everything that I did for the day and all that good stuff. So just to go over some trades I took this buy right here. Um, Pretty fire buy. You know, a lot of orders came in the tens here, so it went pretty good. Went down, went up again. I I got out, trying to manage my losses, which I can't get mad about myself like that. But for sure could have helped that because my goal was to hold it up there. I still couldn't do it, so maybe be a little more open to what you call it. So like, oh, I saw some orders coming in the tens here. So it comes down, boom. Order coming in the 84s also comes right back up, right? And then yeah, big other orders right there in the oh 07. So I for sure could have been a little bit more patient on that trade. You know, it started to come down a little bit. Momentum was moving very slow on the way down though. It is pretty intimidating though. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, that was one trade I took. Didn't really take it to the point where I wanted it to, but that was one trade. I took a sell from the peak right here. Saw some orders coming in the 90s. A lot of orders coming in the 90s, 85s, all that good stuff. So I got in, went down for a little bit, but then it just seemed like it couldn't hold it no more. So I just got out. Right, 10% right there too. That's not a bad. That's not bad at all. Yeah, so it went from red to green. So I just got out. I didn't want to be in that trade no more. Right, the price started to look like it was finding. It was really finding some resistance here. But then price broke. Right, wick on the top right there. Order coming in at 46. Breaks again. Right here at this level now. I was really paying attention here, trying to see if I can find some type of double top or something, right? Which is what I did find. Price went down for a little bit, came right back up though. It broke, so then I got in on the break, which I did try to get in a lot sooner, but I had to keep exiting and trying to get a different fill every single time because the price was moving so aggressive to the upside. It couldn't come back to where the price I wanted it, wanted to buy it at. So yeah, um, took that trade right there. I was trying to really be patient and understand that I did enter on this trade really late, so it might not go up as much as I would want it to. All right, and then some orders coming at 96 right here. Resistance. I think I was in a sell here. I'm not sure, but I got out. Okay, so I was in a buy here. Yeah, I was in a buy here, cut for 12%. Not bad at all. All right, and then a lot of orders coming at the peak 39s and the 40s. They really try to hold the 39s and 40s. I did get in the sell here, actually. Nice. I didn't get in the sell. Got out super early, though. Missed on some profits, probably like a 20% or so, which is all cool. Maybe even more if I held it to this point right here, you know. But, yeah, price came down. And I saw I started to get some buying momentum off this level, same area wicked off of. That made it go up, entered a buy. Went up pretty decent, you know. Really trying to be patient on that. And right, I just saw the way it was moving really slow. Got out at 20%. You know, price came right back down. And this was a big trade right here, the big one that I won, or not won, but this I should enter on this double top. I notice every time a double top happens at a level that already had a rejection or some type of reaction, it always, you know what I mean? There's always a good outcome on that, you know. So right here, I'm gonna tell y'all this buy, this swing buy that I went for the day. I caught 112% on it. Very fire trade, right? So basically, when I was entering on this trade, I had a lot of things in mind before entering the trade. So I was thinking in my head, this is a very strong level. This was a high from the previous day. So it's holding very solid, you know, a lot of rejections, a lot of buy momentum coming off this level, right? And basically, on top of that, it was a week full of a lot of news and volatility, right? So with that in mind, I was thinking to myself, okay, structure showing there's a lot of news that happened this week. Structure and news might be able to, you know, work together and all that, and force some volatility to go into the the upside direction, you know. So just gonna go to the day, right? The day that I was trading here. This was yesterday, and right here is Friday, right? Yeah, right here is Friday. So boom, this is the level right here that I caught the buy off of, right? So keeping this in mind, this level right here, these are the lows. Just finding a lot of, nah, I said highs, huh? I meant lows. Just trying to fucking guess where I entered off of, but it was lows. I knew it was holding a very solid level right here because I obviously, when I have the level as red, it holds, it's a very significant level at that area, you know? So then, yeah, I saw it holding that level. Then I went to the 5 minute, and then when I was looking on the 5 minute, I know this price was not even closing below. You see right here. On the 1 minute, it looks like it's bouncing in between, but on the 5 minute is where I was really paying attention to price and how price was moving here. So it literally came down, was looking super aggressive off this level. Structure was falling already. Buy pressure comes up, comes down. Buy pressure again, comes down. Buy pressure again. Buy pressure, boom, and it rips up. Because especially since how buy pressure already worked right here, I'm like, okay, 5 minute is wicking very hard in this area, right? 5 minute doji right there, two fat ass wicks, boom, push to the upside. So it was a very fire trade. One caught a 112% off that 112, and I held it all the way to like the peak right here, which was 112. But then I sold like a little bit on the way down. I was trying to see if price wanted to, like, you know, come back down and then push back up. But I was thinking to myself, like, it's already later in the day, and I'm gonna just get out here. You know what I mean? I held the trade for a pretty decent amount of time. No complaints. And usually I don't do that. You know, for some reason I just had a feeling, like a gut feeling, like it was gonna go to the upside. I followed it, man. You know, but yeah, I did a great job with that trade. I held my SL, all that good stuff. So yeah, that's just how Friday went. When you look out for my the recording that I took, you can literally see I had a buy entry right here. It was down negative 26%, right? I had a stop loss for 30%, so it was really playing at that area, you know. And then boom, ripped up off this. I was just watching price here, and then ripped off that, and then I just turned off the screen recording, and just watched it from there. You know what I mean? It broke the trend line. I was like, yeah, this shit's gonna go up. And it was already moving aggressive off that level. So yeah, man, that's basically how my Friday went. But then just to talk about today a little bit, today's market price is super ass. Like it's just being in this range for like the past 40 minutes, bro. And then yesterday, I didn't trade yesterday because I had a feeling price was gonna be like this. I had a feeling price was gonna be super choppy. You know, it just came back from a week full of a lot of volatility, and on top of that, I'm pretty sure Powell was talking about uh taking some money out of the markets or something like that to decrease interest rates and all that good stuff. So yeah, man. that's basically where price shitting like that is at. But right now, market is at this low right here. I could go for a buy. I'm not gonna lie. 56. Could go for a buy here. But like I said, there's no orders that's around my order. So I don't really think it's that worth it. Wish I had this wick right here too earlier. Probably would have cut this buy. That's cool though. But yeah, bro, it's super choppy. I just stopped trading after a certain point because I started to notice on trades that usually would, result in some decent momentum to the upside or whatever. It was not, it had no type of buying pressure or anything like that, or selling momentum, whatever trade I was taking. You know what I mean? So I just honestly stopped trading, bro, because that shit was ridiculous. I'm not finna risk my my account trying to trade very bad price action, trying to make money off this shit when it's damn near impossible. You know what I mean? I'm trying to catch fucking 10%, 15, 20% moves, and it's not giving me that. So yeah, bro. Um, that's just today. You see it, like, this is very, very, very choppy. When I go to the 5 minutes, it's gonna be even worse. Like, look, this shit has no direction whatsoever. Zero, nada, nothing. Right. So tomorrow, I don't know how tomorrow's gonna be. Just some decent news coming out tomorrow. So I'm gonna I'm gonna trade tomorrow and just see how it goes, bro. But I did look. You want to enter buy off this level. This was the low of the day, today and yesterday. So I really could get a good push up here. And honestly, I'm not even messing with the price action. The way this shit just moving, bro, just disgusting. I don't even look at this shit. But yeah, bro, that's it.